Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be pulling the Shelby out of the trailer. It's been long overdue. She's been sitting in here for probably 3-4 weeks now. It's definitely time. But before we get started on that, just wanted to show you the most recent upgrade on the Power Stroke. We got us some nice new meats on there. They are the Fury 35, 13, 50, 22. They're the 12 ply tire. Here's the old ones sitting in the back. If you could see tread on that, you know, there's a little bit on it. Those are the fronts for sure. The backs didn't have near as much. But if you look at this, all we did is pulled through the yard and kind of made us some nice tracks. But I'll give you guys a good look. Here we are attached to the trailer. Just got the car inside still. I do rub quite a bit on the front with these 35s on the 2212s. So I'm gonna have to do some slight trimming probably in this area right there. But so let's see if I can't set this up and get a cold start of the Shelby as I pull it out. All right, so we're gonna pull her out. I gotta put the door down and stuff. I'm just gonna set you guys right here. Hey, chill out over there. Got to get a key to open up the front. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Well, we had Joey and James show up. They're obviously a lot bit smaller than I am. So we got Joe in the driver's seat. James is gonna guide him out with the front end. I'll watch the back. We need to fold the mirrors. Oh, that's right. The mirrors don't fold. Okay, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna have Joe. You can go ahead and start it up, Joe, if you want. It would have been like probably a month. All right, car's out. There it is. Joe's gonna go ahead and park it back over there. You can guide him up if you want, James. Don't let him hit my bike. There's that Ford squeak we got. Perfect. Give her a little rev and then cut it off. we're just going small little baby rev. Perfect. Alright, go ahead, kill it. Alright, there she is. She is back. The stinky fucking gas that it's got in it. But it's just boots. I missed them crawling in it, but it's okay. There's your bow outs, buddy.
Thanks, Bo.
Cool. Well, guys, the car is out of the trailer. Oh, you forgot to roll the window up. Car is out of the trailer. She's back in her spot for the temporary being. We've got to finish this thing so I can get this car up, so I can get that car on the jacks and start tearing off, see what I can find where the coolant leak's coming from, because that's definitely not a good thing to have. But there's Becky in here. We cleaned up a little bit the other night. It's looking a little better in there. But we're gonna go enjoy ourselves on the four-wheelers and dirt bikes we got. Hope y'all liked seeing the car come out of the trailer. More to come with it. We'll catch y'all in the next video, and y'all hustle harder.